Maybe let's see Python programming, how we can program simple program using Python IDE. This IDE, most of the time, it is available in your latest Windows 11 by default. I'm going to open now Python IDE. Python IDE. So this is the command prompt. So in command interpreter something, it is like you can directly it's like command. I connect. You can do program like shell script. So x equal to 2 and y equal 4. That is pass x plus y into my result variable, that is x plus y, and I will print now result. Okay, got it. So other than how we can write enter program, so open new file, and here you write x equal to a equal to 4, b equal to 2, and result equal to 4 minus 2, and print the result. Control save it as st- st- now I will run, so you can see the number. So like that you can print hello world. You can run. I'm using this command prompt. Okay guys, thank you.